Hey everyone, welcome to Hack and Hustle, the podcast where we explore the ups, downs, and lessons learned in the world of cybersecurity sales and marketing. I'm Anthony Johnson. I spent over 25 years in security, including CISO roles at some of the world's largest organizations. I now help cybersecurity sales and marketing teams elevate their game through my company, Delve Risk.
And I'm Brad Rager. I run Crux, a talent marketplace for cybersecurity. Prior to that, I was CMO and head of strategy for a large cybersecurity VAR and services company. We are super excited to bring conversations that are really meant to be of practical, tangible help to you, whether you're a seller, a marketer, or a leader trying to navigate the complexities of this industry. We've both been through the trenches, and this show is about sharing those experiences, the valuable lessons that we and others have picked up along the way.
That's exactly it, Brad. We know firsthand that cybersecurity is a fast-moving, ever-changing and evolving place. And what makes it even more challenging is just how disconnected people can feel in such a hyper-connected world. It's easy to feel isolated, whether you're trying to make your numbers or build a team. And the truth is, a lot of discussions out there don't really hit home on what's truly going on in the field.
Right. So that's what this podcast is all about. We're here to cut through the noise and talk about what really works and what doesn't, with a focus on the things that will help you build your career. We're not afraid to call out the BS that often gets thrown around in cybersecurity. And look, we know we're not alone out here. There are some great podcasts out there in our space. Here, you're going to find very raw, very real conversations. This is a bullshit-free zone, and we're not pulling any punches.
We're going to get into the real issues, how to actually resonate with your buyers, how to handle major career decisions, how to build a personal brand, and how to choose the right places to build your career. I co-wrote a book on cybersecurity sales with Neil Saltman, and one thing we both learned is that the same issues keep coming up for sellers, but they're really not being addressed in a meaningful way.
And that's a big part of why we started this podcast. We want to help people in three main areas. First, if you're in the market today as a seller, how do you become great at what you do? How do you hit your numbers and go beyond them? We're going to give you actionable insights to help you crush it with your quota.
Exactly. And the second big focus is career progression. So many people are in roles where they feel stuck or like they're not in the right environment. We'll talk about how to find the next step in your career, how to identify opportunities that are the right fit, and how to navigate a job market that's completely different from what it used to be. The days of just applying on a job board and waiting are over.
Exactly. And the third focus is on leadership. If you're building teams, hiring people, or managing a sales force, this is where we really dive into what works and what doesn't from a leadership perspective. We'll be sharing tips from folks that have been out there, that have done it, have built great teams and great organizations, so you can learn from their successes and avoid the pitfalls from their mistakes.
And through it all, here's what really makes this different. We aren't just building a podcast. We're building a community. I've heard it said that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So if you want to level up, you need to surround yourself with people who are already where you want to be. That's what we want to create here. A space where people can connect, learn from each other, and grow.
We're launching a Slack channel where listeners can join in the conversation, ask questions, talk to others, and network with folks in our field. We're really here to bring people together, and not just to listen and be bystanders, but to actively engage and collaborate. So whether you're trying to improve your own performance on the job, looking for advice on how to build or lead a team, think about which job opportunity is right for you, this is your community. So to get access to the channel, just register on our site, crux.so, and we'll send you an invite.
And even if especially if you have experience, right, that you can share, we want to be able to tap and pull folks into the community. So people who can learn and people who want to learn. So if you're in cybersecurity sales, marketing, or management, and you're tired of seeing the same old shit that doesn't work, you come to the right place. Hack and Hustle is here to provide that clarity and help you level up.
Thanks for joining us on this journey. We're thrilled to have you with us. We hope you're ready for some real conversations. Welcome to Hack and Hustle.